Hey guys, well today started out looking like a great day. Sunny, blue skies, no wind, perfect day to go cruising. It didn't quite work out. Once we get out here a little further, I start to get a vibration. Once we clear the marina over here and the other boats, I give it a little more fuel and it's vibrating really bad. You'll see in this next clip coming up. So I stop it, I figure I got something on my prop. Put it in reverse. There you go. Look at this. Shaking like mad. So I threw it in reverse and then I heard a bang and nothing. Go down inside the engine room. First we stop and drop anchor. Then go down inside the engine room and the shaft coupling is split. I'll show you a picture of that in a minute here. Exactly what happened. The 4 bolts actually came out of the coupling. And of course, I didn't bring a camera down to the engine room with me. I wasn't thinking about it. I was just thinking, you know, I'm anchored out in the middle channel here, and oh, there we go. All right, that's our transmission. That's what it looks like. The bolts came out of them holes right there, and this isn't our coupling, but it's split. You'll see the line there. It's split, and it slid like 1.5 feet back until it hit the rudder.
Don's got it back together. The boat's came out of the plan. So he's got it back together with 3 boats. He's going to go into the hardware store and get bolts, and I'm going to continue. You keep continuing, and we'll meet up later on.
Alright, I managed to get 3 bolts back in it. The 4th one was mangled, so I headed back to the dock, and we were going to go to the hardware store and try to get new bolts. Apparently, when Hinckley did the alignment on this, the last guy either didn't tighten them properly. I know one of them didn't have a lock washer at all. I couldn't find it anyway. A couple of the other lock washers are totally squashed and should have been replaced. Anyway, it's just a terrible job. So, but anyway, I went to the hardware store. We got it put back together. And then once we got it put back together, we pushed off the dock and we limped down to Leland Oil. Got a dock there for 4 days while I set up a haul out at Ross Marine and a towboat US to tow us to 50 miles